got it. Fuck a nigga talking about, man.
Look, I'm a real product of my environment. You know this shit here getting treacherous. You better close that back door. Cause this shit here getting dangerous. Yeah. Your own dog, he'll snake your ass out about them benefits. Man, they Draco crop his ass out, I'm tryna give him 10. I start saying friend, dog, cause I see my own nigga been talking shit, I bet we get you pop before you speak again. Hey, you know it's wicked, dog, you can't even trust your own kin. Can't save everybody, cause you can't see everybody win. In the field, these niggas gain a name, they on the daily spin. Fucked around and popped that nigga brother since they screaming twin. Lost it all, they got it back, you know that shit part of the game. But if you stay down too long, I swear you won't see it again. Yeah, this shit get slimy, dog, that shit that make you wanna sin. Lost in all my sorrow while I'm pouring up this 15 hand. My dog up the road, he keep a shank while he in the pen. Niggas heart be cold, dog, these boys won't even crack a grin. Fuck em, dog, I'm back on my bullshit, you know I'm going in. Yes, oh God, he snapping, yeah, that boy done pop this shit again. So got it. Black Sherman moon rock got me tweaking. Swear to God, I'm a whole nother level. Switching these lanes, trying to get all this pack riding dirty with a Glock and a brand new Beretta. Any little pressure, you know I'm addressing. Promise to God, I'm a clever little stepper. I gotta say hustle all in my veins. None of that run from the flood out my bezel. Chasing the cheddar, y'all focus on the business. Can't fuck with nigga, cause these niggas be different. Dump me a pack and I'm right back shifting. I be on the way trying to run at this chicken. Niggas be flagging like they heard about got it. Hey, that's cool, take time to find a diamond. Right now I'm chasing this cheese, trying to run up with a sack. I ain't too much worried about the shine. Hey, just gon' piss me off, cause I'll boot up quick. Pop my shit, let you know I ain't flagging. Keep your little eater, bro, hoe be nagging. Boost that fucked up, not a whole bragging. Hey, I'm pressure like really been pressure. Ain't no bitch in my past, I'm stressing. I know I'm the catcher, I'm always the blessing. Nigga play a game, I'ma teach him a lesson. Promise to God, I ain't nothing to be fucked with. Couple of bad, my dog gon' kill shit. BB in the mall, yeah, you know that we too lit. Way too solid, yeah, you know I never switch. One thing I learned, everything got a price. Right there is pussy, a body, a pack. Bad bitch said she gon' eat her, that Zozo. Why I thumb through the motherfucking rack? Yeah, these BBM and you ain't heard. Really made moves, I ain't even tryna spur. Just bought a dumbass crib in a bird. Bitch drive away from the crib to the curb. Wish a nigga would like I ain't gon' swerve. Yeah, got me stuck with a slur in my word. Any little thing you need, I serve. Aim for the top, cause that's what I deserve. I ain't gon' count, all born with a birth defect. Man, that shit had me shy as a bitch. Then I grew up when I pop up my shit. Now I can't keep a bad hoe off my dick. Hey, I know my lady ain't gon' like that. Hey, but babe, what it is, what it is. They gotta know that your nigga really lit, man. Stepping on shit.